Hello viewers, welcome back to Ongsuman Sinha Mathematics channel. So in this video again I am going to discuss some solution related to the chapter maxima and minima. Hope you are able to see it. So we are discussing about the chapter maxima and minima. Maxima and minima from application of derivative, application of derivative, and we are following the R.S. Agarwal math book. Now we will going to start exercise 11F. Now before start with the exercise 11F, I will want to show you something, that is here exercise 11E we have already completed. If you have any problem then tell me, viewers. From exercise 11 next we will start for exercise 11E. Now here various types of solved examples are given. So again in R.S. Agarwal math book various types of solved examples, as you can see various types of solved examples are given. So you just go through with these examples so that you will understand it. Various types of examples of R.S. Agarwal it is given here. So without delaying the time, just 25 number of examples are given. So exercise 11F, here comes the exercise 11F. I am starting from question number 1. Now what is given in question number 1? Exercise 11F, question number 1, it is given find two positive number whose product is 49 and sum is minimum. So for that let the numbers are x and 49 minus x. These are the numbers. Okay, so sorry, let the number be x and the product is 49. So if we take the numbers, that is first one is the first number is equal to x and second number that's equals to not 49 minus x, it will be 49 by x. Okay, if we multiply this we will get 49. Now their sum is equal to x plus 49 by x. This is their sum. We will denote it as fx. So fx is equal to x plus 49 by x. Okay, now for max or mean value f dash x equal to 0. So that's implying 1 minus 49 by x square equal to 0. That's implying x square equal to 49. So from here x equal to plus minus 7. Now f double dash x, that's equals to 0 minus 49 into 2 by x cube. This will be minus 2, so this should be positive. Now taking x equal to 7, taking x equal to 7, so f double dash 7, that's equals to 49 into 2 by 7 cube, means 49 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7, so that's equals to 2 by 7, greater than 0. So the function has minimum value, function has minimum value at x equal to 7, and that value be f7, that's equals to 7 plus 49 by 7. This is 7 plus 7 means 14. Hope you are able to understood it. And required numbers are 7 and 49 by 7 means 7. So 7 and 7, these are the required number. Next, move to another question. Question number 2. Find two positive number whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose square is minimum. So it's a very easy question. Next, question number 3 I will take. Question number 3. Now I am reading the question number 3. Divide 15 into 2 parts. 15 into 2 parts such that the square of one number multiplied with the cube of the other number is maximum. So let the 2 part of 15 be x and 15 minus x. These are the 2 parts. Okay. Square of one number. So the first part is equal to x, second part is equal to 15 minus x. So square of first part that will be multiplied to the cube of the other number, So we will take this function as fx. So fx is equal to x square into 15 minus x whole cube. Or for calculation making easy, we will take fx is equal to 15 minus x whole square into x cube. Okay. Now this will be also possible. So fx is equal to this is x square minus 30x plus 225 this is fx. Now for maximum and minimum value of fx, f dash x must be 0. So first we have to find f dash x, 5x to the power 4 minus this is the f dash x. So let us make it as 0. So we will get 5x to the power 4 minus 120 x cube plus 675 x square equal to 0. 5x square taking common, x square minus 24x plus this 5 means 675. So 135 that's equals to 0. So x square minus 24x plus 135 that's equals to 0. Now 135 that can be written as now this can be written as 15, that is 24, that is only 15 plus 9 in the form of. So here we will get x square minus 15x minus 9x plus 135 that's equals to 0. From here x minus 15 minus 9 x minus 15 that's equal to 0. It can be written as x minus 9 x minus 15 that's equal to 0. So x equal to either 9 or x equal to 15. Now we have to find f double dash x. Now this is f dash x. Now f double dash x, this is f double dash x. So if we take here from here 20 will be or first taking 10 common. If we take 10 common from here, 10 x square, 10x taking common, so we will get, and this is 2x square minus 36 x plus 135. This how we will get. Now taking the value x equal to 9, that is f double dash 9, that's equals to 10 into 9, 2 into 9 square minus 36 into 9 plus 135. So this is 90, this is 2 into 81 minus 1024 plus 135. So from here this is 90 5 324. So 162 and 135, if we add this, 297. So obviously 90, this is 297 minus 324. So if we calculate here, negative sign, definitely negative sign occur. I am not calculating again, negative sign occur. That means f dashed x is less than 0 at x equal to 9. So at x equal to 9, maximum value of the function occur. Okay. Next we will do it for x equal to 15. That's equals to 10 into 15, 2 into 15 square minus 36 into 15 plus 135. Again, if we calculate, we will again get negative sign. So f double dash x will be less than 0 at x equal to 15 also. So the function has maximum value at x equal to 15 also. So the two part of the function or 15 will be 9 and 15 minus 9, that is 6. 15 we can't take because this we can't take because the sum is 15. So we will take only 9 and 15 minus 9. Okay. Next question number 4 and 5 is quite same. I am just doing question number 6. The rate of working of an engine, rate of working is given by 15 V plus 6000 by V, where 0 less than V less than 30. V is the speed of the engine, so that R is least when V is equal to 20. So this is R, so we have to find dr by dV. It will be 15 minus 6000 by V square. Hope you are able to see it. 6000 by V square. Now for max and mean value of R, dr dV equal to 0. That means 15 minus V square, that's equals to 0. That means V square is equal to V by 15, means 400 if we calculate it. So V is equal to root over of 400, that equals to plus minus 20, but we should omit the value of minus, and V is equal to, we should take plus sign because the value of V lies at x equal to 0 from 0 to 30. So next d2r by dv2, that's equals to plus 2 into 6000 by vq. At V is equal to 20, d2r by dv2 at V is equal to 20. 2 into 6000 by 20, that is 600, that is greater than 0. So R is least when V is equal to 20.